are a bit of analysis here. So in the overnight, we all see that the dollar has continued higher, okay, against the Swiss and against the British pound, against the CAD, and also against the Aussie. And today we can expect a little bit of slowness, or the market actually just beginning to square their position, or the traders beginning to square their position right before the FOMC meeting. I mean, there's nothing much expected in the FOMC meeting, but again, it's people like to speculate on the news, but the dollar CAD is pushing again. We need to be buying the dollar CAD and the Swiss, and we need to be careful because these moves would be just there will be a lot of volatility going in today. But the pound dollar is giving us a sell signal right now. Now keep in mind that the dollar Swiss now is getting to the second significant point, which is the 105.90, and if it does break through that, which seems a very high probability, that should give us a pretty decent move to the upside. So once it gets there, there should be a pause. I mean, if you're going to take the dollar Swiss, you want to keep an eye around the 105.90. Let's see the Aussie. This structure point has been brilliant, or the 91.95. I mean, this has just been, every time it goes through it. Look at this break. Look at this break. Look at this break. So, and it goes back, look at from here. So that's a pretty decent point, and this is something that you need to be keeping an eye on. The pound, the 107.06. Yeah, I think you're right, Joe. Yeah, the CAD is weak. I mean, now, again, the dollar has broken through the structure point on the index, guys. And that's it. I mean, once it gets above the index and you get a buy signal, that's it. You don't second guess it anymore. That's your directional trade, and you begin to be just monitoring your position so you don't. Yeah, Joe, I mean, you're just about 10 pips away from that structure point. So it's going to be like a minor pause, because everybody now is scrambling to get out of their short position in the dollar. So your pauses at these price points will be short-lived. Okay? Let's see the CAD. I mean, it's already, the CAD is already up. Already the CAD is up 18 pips. And it's right above the 103 structure point that we picked on Sunday. Yeah. 103, the structure along 103.05. So that's good. I mean, you might get a little bit of a pullback, so you want to wait for a pullback and draw a gift line and take it. Is the news out, Sean, on the housing in the Canadian?